Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to make a zip file. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Zip files are super convenient for compressing folders or files or even both into a file which you can then go and send, and it goes and reduce the file size as well. So first of all, locate the files and folders or both which you want to do this with. So if it's a folder, you can do that as well. You can just right-click, or if it's multiple, what you can do is go and select them, then right-click and hover over Compress to. And you can then move your cursor over and click on Zip File, and that is it. When you click there, it'll then go and be compressed. The more files or folders there is and the more space it is, the longer it will take. It didn't take too long that for me, and I can then go and name this, and then when you go and press enter, we've now done it. You can go and see the file size reduced, and I can then go and send this or do whatever I want.